Hello, I'm Tanya. Let's start a junk journal. If this is our first time, we can always keep it simple. Start with one part of the journal, for example, the background, and here I collected different shopping bags. I also added details like the candy wrapper and the luggage tag from the airport. These are all the things I've collected during my trip in Tokyo. I also have a color theme that is shades of red, purple, and pink. And a few washi tapes can add to the final detail. Next is to plan the layout and get creative. This is the most fun part as we create something that we will treasure from our holiday. Ta-da! What do you think? As we make more journals, we can add more ideas. I found an old notebook and I really wanted to keep this pretty packaging. Do you recognize these tags? I like that there are no rules and I simply put them together and enjoy looking at them. It is really fun to collect things from our everyday. You should give it a try too.